RF controlled solar panel based robotic vehicle. Robotic vehicles can be used for observing an area and can also be used for security purposes. Let us check out this RF controlled solar panel based robotic vehicle with the 360-degree camera. Remote control robotic arm using RF. Robotic arms are machines that are programmed to execute a specific task or job quickly, efficiently, and extremely accurately. Let us look at this remote control robotic arm using RF.
So let's try picking up an object here.
RF controlled beach cleaner robotic vehicle. Marine pollution is a threat to the well-being of marine creatures and humans. Let us check out this innovative user-friendly RF controlled beach cleaner robotic vehicle. RF controlled spy robot with night vision camera. Humans cannot be sent to spy at a lot of places, especially on military bases due to possible risks. Thus, let us check out this RF controlled spy robot with night vision camera.
So let's operate the vehicle in all four directions. That is forward, backward, left and right. So this is the forward direction. Let's say backward. Similarly left and right.
Multi-controller based wheelchair safety. People with limited abilities cannot move, which is one of the basic needs of mankind. Let us check out this advanced RF controlled wheelchair, which will help the disabled person to move around easily.
So one can simply wear this on their hand, and now by the gesture of their motions, they can control it in the forward, in the backward. So in this way, this wheelchair can be controlled through the hand gesture mechanism. Now let us see how this can be controlled through Android phone. For this we have connected this voice-based application. Now let us see how to control it going in the forward direction. Forward. Backward.
Rough terrain beetle robot. While some robots are designed for spying, their wheels make it difficult for them to go on rough terrain. Let us check out this rough terrain beetle robot. It can navigate with ease through jungles and hilly terrains. RF-based secure garage door opener. The traditional garage door openers provide easy access to your house's most vulnerable entrance. Well, let us check out this advanced RF-based garage door opener. This is an extremely secure system which automatically opens and closes the door, but only for authorized users.
For demonstration, first we will be setting the code to 0000. So as you can see, all the switches are in down condition. So now let's connect the battery. So now as you can see, as soon as the valid vehicle was in range of the garage door, it opened automatically. And after the vehicle goes in and parks and the engine shuts down, so will the battery of the vehicle. And as soon as the vehicle's engine shut down, it close the door behind it. So now let's simulate as another valid vehicle. Let's change the code to 0100. Given this one is a valid vehicle, so let's connect the battery. So as you can see, it's user number 3 and it's a valid user. So this is how RF-based secure garage door opener system works.
Dual purpose flamethrower and extinguisher RC robot. The use of flamethrower is no longer limited to war, but is now also used in agriculture and firefighting. Let us look at this RF-based dual-purpose flamethrower and extinguisher robot. Path Planner robot for indoor positioning using RF ranging. The existing GPS network provides accuracy only within several meters. This makes navigation in robots impossible using GPS. So here we have a unique indoor mapping system that makes use of an RF-based ranging system to allow a robot to navigate its way with accuracy. Medical Supplies Delivery Drone. Transportation of medical supplies is quite a critical task as certain medical supplies are urgently needed at some locations. Let us take a look at this RF-based medical supply drone which transports medical supplies instantly to the desired location.